Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about simplifying cube roots. Now, to simplify a cube root, I need to break down this 8 into our prime numbers, especially if we are unable to recognize perfect cubes. Two numbers that multiply to 8, well, 4 and 2, I can still break down something here, and that's the 4. That can break down into 2 times 2. Now, because we're dealing with a cube root, I need to look for groups of 3. Well, I have 3 2's here. So I'm going to group them up, and that's what comes out. So the cube root of 8 is just 2. Let's look at another example. Here we are taking the cube root of 24. Now, I will tell you that 24 is not a perfect cube, so it won't come out as just a whole number. But we're still going to break it down the same way as we did with the 8 in the last example. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 24, and you can pick any two. Let me just start with 12 and 2. 12 can be broken down into 4 and 3. 4 can be broken down into 2 and 2. All the way to the prime numbers, I can't break anything else down. Now I'm looking for a group of 3. Well, I have 2 2's down here and 1 up here. I can group the 2's together because they have a group of 3. That comes out, but I still have this 3 here that's unaccounted for. It's single, so that stays inside my cube root. There we go. We end up with the cube root of 24 being 2 times the cube root of 3. We have one more example to see, so let's jump right in. Here we're looking to simplify the cube root of 250. Treat it just like our other two examples. Looking for two numbers that multiply to make 250. Well, my first numbers that come to my head are 25 and 10. I can break down both of these. 25 is 5 times 5, and 10 is 5 times 2. All of those are prime numbers, so now I'm looking for my groups of 3. Well, I have 3 5's here, so that will be one group. That's what comes out. I have a 2 that is all by itself here, so that will stay inside of our cube root. And we end up with the cube root of 250 being equal to 5 times the cube root of 2. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.